News that we are breaking to you. At the meeting that was held among Amit Shah and EPS and OPS on Sunday, BJP believed to have suggested to include TTV's AMMK, that is part of Team Sasikala, to consolidate votes in the southern zone. While EPS expressed his reservations on this idea, OPS has agreed to this. Mirna correspondent Mugilan is joining us live. Mugilan, very interesting development there. It seems that the BJP has pitched for TTV Dinakaran's AMMK to join the side of the BJP and the AIADMK, and it seems the two top leaders of the current ruling AIADMK is not agreeable to it. I mean, one of them is not agreeable, sorry.
Definitely now more details emerge regarding the EPS-OPS meeting Amit Shah on Sunday night. We already know that their meeting almost lasted for 3 hours. Yes, of course, the seat sharing talks were on between both the leaders. But yes, it is very clearly sources tell us that Amit Shah has also, the BJP has also suggested that the ADMK should team up with AMMK and face the upcoming assembly elections to consolidate the vote bank in the southern zone of the state. In the southern districts, the Teva community is a dominant community in the southern states. So to consolidate their vote, BJP has suggested ADMK to team up with AMMK and face the assembly elections. When the meetings was held separately, that is after the seat sharing talks, Amit Shah held a meeting with EPS separately and then a meeting with OPS separately. And then during this meeting is what we are hearing from our sources, where OPS have inclined to this suggestion of teaming up with AMMK and face the assembly elections and to consolidate vote in the southern zone. But when Amit Shah held a meeting with the EPS had expressed his reservation. He does not incline to this idea of teaming up with AMMK. And now we are saying that the election seat sharing talks are not over between ADMK and BJP. Even after the several rounds after the talks are not over. Even yesterday night there was a talk between both the leaders at a private hotel, and still the deadlock continues. So with this being in the place, now the BJP has suggested that ADMK can team up with AMMK to consolidate the vote bank in the southern districts, because ADMK is assured that they have a very strong base in the west zone, so they need to consolidate the vote bank in the southern districts. Very recently, we already know that the ADMK government has announced 10.5 reservation for the community, for 1-year community who are predominantly in the northern part of the state. So ADMK, as per their calculation, yes, they have did something to the 1-year community who is predominant in the northern zone of the Tamil Nadu.
Now this is
in the west they have
for
a strong
several
hold.
reasons, because now, Mugilan, it appears that the current ruling AIADMK may consider taking in TTV Dinakaran, but they are not willing to take in Sasikala. Is that the real picture? Now we will come back to this point again, Mugilan. Let's in fact bring up some breaking news coming in. AMMK General Secretary TTV Dinakaran has ruled out alliance with AIADMK. So this is the first reaction we are getting. Let's listen in.
So there has been a strong speculation that ADMK is trying to woo in AMMK to their fold ahead of the assembly elections. How do you see that, sir?
Actually, already I clearly told you on the General Council Day also, we are going to form an alliance. AMK will head the alliance. That is my answer.
Sir, but is there any is there anything that ADMK and AMMK will come together for the assembly elections, sir? Because we already know Sasikala also have a call for a union of parties coming together. So how do you think?
Sir, my answer is very clear. We will form an alliance and we will stop DMK to come to power. In order to, I am talking to many parties and we will form an alliance.
Sir, are you willing to join hands with the ADMK, sir, to defeat your common enemy as said by
I don't want to answer the speculations.
Sir, even today, sir, in Dr. Namadeo MGR, there was an article which very clearly stated that they should come together. ADMK should understand that without Shashikala, ADMK cannot particularly win in the southern districts of Tamil Nadu. How do you see that, sir?
Who wrote that?
In Namadeo MGR, there was an
It is article which came in Namadeo MGR is that Namadeo MGR paper's view. It is not AMMK General Secretary's view.
Sir,
All right. So, Mugilan, help us understand this. Quite a few things are coming out of that conversation. It's not as if TTV Dinakaran has outrightly denied or dismissed or said a strong firm no. He is talking about another alliance to combat the DMK. What do we make of this, and where does Sasikala fit in all of this?
Definitely now very clearly we are seeing TTV Dinakaran very clearly saying that he's going to form an alliance and he's going to head that alliance, and then he will be working towards defeating DMK in the upcoming election. Yes, as we already know that there are very strong speculations that now attempts are being made to bring ADMK and AMMK together to face the upcoming assembly election. But now we are hearing from TTV Dinakaran, who very categorically says that he is going to form an alliance and AMMK going to head that alliance and face the assembly election. So we have to wait and watch how things really pan up. But the back channel talks have already begun. But now TTV Dinakaran very clearly states that he is not going to, he's going to form an alliance, but he will be heading the assembly, he will be heading that alliance for the assembly election. So we have to wait and watch how things really pan up. Yes, Sasikala factor is a concern for ADMK. We have to wait and watch whether ADMK will reach out to Sasikala or TTV Dinakaran to consolidate their vote bank in the southern districts of the state.
Yes, absolutely. And therefore, it will be interesting to watch out, because what TTV Dinakaran says is that he will form an alliance where he will be probably calling the shots and the others are welcome to join in. So now we have heard quite a few of these narratives. Mugilan will keep us updated on how things pan out. Thanks for joining us for now.